all of our ingredients for our ranch dressing, which is going to go inside of our chicken broccoli dish for dinner tonight. Using sour cream and mayonnaise. Our family actually uses avocado oil mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, heavy whipping cream, a little bit of pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and the chives, and some fresh garlic as well. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just chop up all these chives. Again, I'm using an entire bunch of chives. That's just because our family really appreciates the strong flavor. I love putting these on my baked potatoes. A couple of tablespoons of butter, sprinkled with salt. Chives are just so delicious. Reminds me of summertime. Alright. And we're also going to do a couple cloves of garlic. I'm going to use my knife to smash it down so that that peel comes off nice and easy. And then just a really quick chop or mince. If you don't like big chunks of garlic, you can mince it down really fine. First thing I'm going to do is put the sour cream in the bowl. I like to use about 3/4 cup of sour cream. I use more sour cream than the mayonnaise just because we prefer the sour cream taste, because one's going to dominate the other, and we would just prefer it to be dominated by the sour cream flavor. Then about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Again, that's avocado mayonnaise. 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now that we have all that in the bowl, we can now add our spices and our other ingredients. We'll put in about 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, sweetie. Teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. I have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Just gonna do a little bit of pepper, not much, not even enough to fill a teaspoon. Add our garlic. Add the chives. So now we have all the wet and dry ingredients and the spices in the bowl. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a quick stir, and it'll be ready to place into our mason jar. Okay, and I'm just gonna use a spatula to fold over all the ingredients a few times, and that's all there is to it. It's quick, it's simple, it's a delicious homemade ranch dressing that I'm sure your family will love. And if your dressing ends up being a little bit watery, you can add some mayonnaise or some sour cream, and that'll thicken it up a little bit. If you feel that it's a little too thick, you can add some more apple cider vinegar. If you like the flavor of that, that will change the flavor the more you add. Otherwise, you can use a little bit more of the heavy whipping cream in the beginning. That'll thin it out as well. There it goes into the jar.